In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a table to a calendar in Notion in under 5 minutes. This is a great way to organize your information more visually by transforming a simple table into a dynamic calendar view. Whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or planning events, this feature can significantly enhance your productivity. Let's begin by heading over to Notion. If you're not already familiar with how the platform operates, Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, collaborate, and get organized. Once you're logged into your Notion account, you'll want to navigate to an existing page, or you may opt to create a new one, depending on where you'd like this calendar to live. On the page you've selected, you're going to create a table if you don't already have one. Simply type Table View directly into the page to generate a table. Notion's /command is a quick and efficient way to bring up any tool or feature, making it incredibly user-friendly. With your table in place, the next step is to click on Add Property. This step allows you to introduce various types of data fields to your table. For the purpose of linking your table to a calendar, you'll need to select Date from the list of property options. This creates a new column specifically meant for dates, which will be integral for the calendar function. Now, with your date column ready, you can go ahead and enter the relevant dates into this column. These dates could represent deadlines, events, or any time-related data related to the entries in your table. The key here is that the presence of these dates is what facilitates the transformation of your table into a calendar. Moving on, within the same page, you can now type Calendar View to launch the calendar interface. After typing this command, you'll click on the Calendar View option that appears. This action will immediately switch your table into a calendar format, displaying the entries from your table into a calendar layout according to the dates you've assigned in the date column. Once switched to this view, Notion offers you the flexibility to move items seamlessly between days on your calendar, allowing for easy adjustments if there are changes in deadlines or event dates. This functionality is particularly useful for project management and scheduling, ensuring that your plans remain dynamic and adaptable. And there you have it. Your table is now effectively linked to a calendar in Notion. With this system in place, tracking and organizing your tasks and events becomes a visual and intuitive process. Thank you for joining us today, and enjoy your newfound efficiency in managing tasks with Notion's table-to-calendar conversion.